Hi there, it's Kurt with Kurt Tanner Motor Cars. This is a very special Austin Healey here. It is a 1962 3000 Mark II BN7 Roadster with the center shift gearbox, one of only 125 produced for the latter half of this production run. They only made 355 total, but the center shift is the more desirable model with the better transmission. This car was, it's just been the recipient of this magnificent ground-up restoration to gold concours specs. It's finished in Healey blue over ivory white, navy blue interior, navy blue top, matching tonneau cover in navy blue, 4-speed overdrive, 60-spoke chrome wire wheels, full matching number car. This car was originally delivered in Okinawa, Japan, probably to a US serviceman abroad. Then it made its way stateside, and we purchased it from a really good, reputable restoration shop in Mississippi. So let's take a walk around this lovely Healey. Basically, it's the rarest production model. It's the holy grail of the 3000 range, the rarest 6-cylinder car available. So lovely restoration, just completed, great gaps. This restoration is fully documented with tons and tons of pictures here, lots of documentation, toolkit, side curtain set, but really lovely nut and bolt restoration. Healey restorations today, they're running, $110,000, parts, labor, materials, services. It's post-COVID, it's really difficult to get a Healey done inexpensively. So this has been lavishly restored, no expense spared, but beautiful restoration just completed in this fabulous ice blue, which is the original color, ivory insert, bare metal paintwork, all new chrome, down to the bare chassis, panels off, bare superstructure, complete nut and bolt rebuild, just like we used to do them a decade ago. So brilliant car with everything renewed. Take another slow walk around here. But yeah, super special, rare, matching numbers. BN7 Mark II Roadster with the center shift transmission. But yeah, basically everything brand new. This car was built to gold concours spec to compete in Healey Club events. But leather trimmed interior. This is a heritage interior kit. You can see all the fasteners and fittings. Everything's just beautifully correct and detailed. Even down to, the early original style rounded fasteners there for the sun top and the tonneau cover. But yeah, have a look at all the still photos of this car. It's pretty spectacular. It's ready to go. It's had only 622 test miles just to ensure everything operates correctly for the restoration. It's fitted with these gorgeous set of XAS Michelin 180/15 radials on a stainless set of 60-spoke wire wheels. Lovely trunks, just chock full of all the original equipment, books, tools, records. All the correct rivets here along the back of the trunk lid. So yeah, I've restored probably 150 big Healeys in my day. We used to do 11 cars a year for over a 20-year period. And when this car came in, I was pretty impressed with its correctness and all of its fittings and fasteners and decals and even down to the original Lucas headlamps there. So super accurate restoration on a super rare Austin Healey. let's get this hood open. I'll show you the engine bay detailing. So under here you can see the car retains its original VIN plate. It's got that West Coast delivery BMC 62 plastic tag. You see it's got the original body tag. It's a matching numbers engine to the heritage certificate, but you can see the lovely detailing here for all the correctness. Decals, fasteners, fittings, clips, clamps, hoses. It's got that original, the red stripe on the radiator there. But yeah, beautifully detailed Concours restoration. And pretty faultless car here. So if you're a serious collector or you're a serious enthusiast and you're in the market for one of the rarest, well, the most ultra of the rare Austin Healey production cars, it's right here. This is a 1962 3000 Mark II BN7 two-seater center shift model, full matching numbers and matching colors to the certificate, finished in Healey blue over ivory white, navy blue interior, top tonneau cover, side curtain set. Recent recipient of this magnificent nut and bolt ground up restoration to gold club Concours condition. And it's for sale right now on our website, www.kurttannermotorcars.com. Super good value considering the cost of doing one in today's market.